What's changing in Microsoft 365? We're talking Microsoft and IT, so of course nothing stays the same, except that it's always changing. Let's talk about the changes coming to Microsoft 365, especially Copilot, between now and July. There are a lot of changes coming up, but for today's video, we're going to keep it simple. There's a lot more than this, but who really wants a 4-hour video? First, Copilot bundles. You can now bundle Copilot with Business Basic, Standard, or Premium, Office E1 or E3, or Microsoft 365 E3 or E5. And you can actually save up to 25% for a year, but this savings window is only open now through March 31st. This also includes improvements in Copilot Chat, including security, management, and analytics. Second, how would you like an additional 50 gigabytes for mailbox storage for Business Basic, Standard, or Premium users? That's coming between now and June 30th, whether you bundle Copilot or not. Microsoft 365 E3 and E5 are also seeing improvements, mostly around Intune functionality and analytics. Third, how would you like your prices to go up? Alright, trick question, you don't, but effective July 1st, several of the key product packages will see a price increase, usually in the $1 to $2 per month per user range. And remember, if your user accounts aren't going down over the year, the best way to control your 365 costs is to go with an annual agreement. Okay, those are some of the biggest points. There's a lot more detail where this comes from, and if you'd like to jump on a call to review your current Microsoft 365 licensing or any other part of your IT support, set up a no-obligation 365 call with us today. Make sure you pay attention to our channel. We'll be posting more updates about these changes over the next few months. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.